Hi everyone, so welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will be showing you some websites where we can download the data and start working on our visualization. So starting with Makeover Monday. This is a weekly learning platform, so you will be given a data set every Monday so that you can create a visualization of your choice. So if you want to know more about this website, you can just hover down and look on the particulars and the details of this website. So because our interest is on getting a data, we'll have to navigate to participate here and click on data sets where each Monday there will be a data getting uploaded in this particular path. So if you go to 2016, you can see every Monday there were data getting uploaded. So you can see what kind of data it is, like Excel or CSV or any text format. So you can get more information on this. Okay. So same way for every year, you'll be given more information on the particular data. So when you see this was uploaded in this and Excel is the data source, if you click on the first link, it will give you what this data talks about. Okay, so it says Australia's 50 highest paying jobs. Okay, so basically if you come here, it will tell you what this data is talking about. Okay, and if you go to the next one where it says data source, there you'll find the data where you can download and start working on the visualization. So if you see, this is the chart which tells about the data, and this is the data. Okay, and if you just hover down, this is where you download the data. So you can download the data and start the visualization. The same thing happens with all the years. So you can just go to each year and each visualization. You can take it and start working. Okay, and next one is Workout Wednesday. So like how we had seen Makeover Monday, the data gets uploaded every Monday. Here every Wednesday, this website gets updated. So if we come here, we'll be having this is how the data looks like. So make Workout Wednesday, week 53, week 52. So every week. So if you click on any of the chart, so you'll get more information on that. Like you'll have to basically replicate the chart in this particular Workout Wednesday page. Here in Makeover Monday, they'll be giving you data set. You can create any visualization, but in case of Workout Wednesday, you would be given a data where you'll have to basically replicate it. Like the requirements would be given saying that the data you'll have to download from this particular website, and the dashboard has to be in this dimension, and you'll have to basically use this font. So most of the requirements will be given for you to replicate this. Okay, so and the similar way you can go to any of the week, click on it, and if I come to this one, they would have given you the logo also. Okay. Okay, so in case if they're using any logo, they'll give. So basically, they'll give you all the requirement, what you'll have to do, what you shouldn't do. So all the basic requirements would be given to you. Okay, the next is the social good, best for social good. This is basically a participation for a competition. So as of now, there is no competition here. But if there is any competition, the strike mark wouldn't be there, and there will be an active date here. So if we click on any of this projects, so it will tell you what the mission is, what the approach is, what is the vision for that particular organization, and your project information. So what you'll have to do, and who are the audience that you'll have to build. Basically, when we create the visualization, this is the main thing, to understand who our audiences are. So they'll give you information on that as well, and use of data visualization. How will they use your visualization in case if it's selected? So where the data is, what the resources is. So basically this will give you data, and this is the deadline to submit. Like how I informed previously, this is a participation link where you can participate by submitting your visualization links. Okay, so they'll give you how to participate also. You'll have to sign in for this, then you'll have to do everything else. Okay, so this is how you can use your data visualization as a for a good cause. It's a social cause. Okay, and the next would be the data.world. So if you see here, there are few data set which is actually referring to the data world. So data.world. So this is the link. So you can randomly click in case if you want to create any visualization on any particular topic. You can just click on it. So you'll get whatever. Now I typed as ice cream. So whatever data is linked to ice cream, you'll start getting all those data. So you can search anything and everything which you want to create the data out of. Okay. So this is how, and you can. There is an option to contribute your data also. So if you have some data and it's okay for public to use it, you can upload it too. So you can contribute the data also in this. Okay. So this is the four main website where we can get the data. Okay, and when it comes to particular visualization tool, for Tableau we have visualization gallery where you can see the gallery and the charts that they have built and try and replicate it. And every time if you want to see something, if it's getting featured every day, some visualization gets featured. So you can see if there is a good chart or something and you can try replicating it. And for the click view, so or you'll have details for this, and you can try and replicate this particular visualization. And for Power BI, you have a similar data gallery for Power BI as well, where you can view the reports and try and replicate the same. Okay, and we spoke about how do we participate here. So we can participate individually also in other websites too. Like if we go here and participate, we already saw what data sets mean. But when you come to submit in the Makeover Monday, basically you can give which year are you submitting 2001, so your name, all those things, and link to interactive list. So here is what the difference makes, because for Tableau Public it's a free version and you will get a link, but in case of Power BI it's a licensed version if you want a web link for it. So you can use this for a Tableau a public link and you can create your own visualization. So once you submit here, there is a submission tracker. Okay, so there is a submission tracker where in case if my name is there, I can just see, okay, I've submitted in this particular year, I've submitted this many 12 times for this particular year. And in case of prayer, that means I've not submitted. I've submitted till the 11th week, and 12th week I've failed to submit it. So you can see the particular information also in the participation. Okay, and in the Tableau Public also there is something you can keep here as a nominate wish. Okay, so you can nominate your own visualization if you have done something and I think it's a good visualization to get featured enough and everyone to see. You can fill in your details and say what department does it feel, what is the capability of the dashboard, what industry are you talking about that in the dashboard, what are the topic you're finding in, what the topic that you have, and do you want to nominate in future is also, or do you want only this time to be done. So you can do that also in Tableau Public. And the same way there is a similar thing in Power BI. You can submit your data story. You can give details of your like if you're doing some dashboard, you can give a title for it. And again, as I told, you need a URL. So this will be the licensed version. So you can give the data and fill in all the details. Okay. And finally, in case if it gets submitted, your data will also appear here. Okay, so I hope now you know where to start. We have a lot of websites to start our visualization journey. So let's get started. Thank you.